Dear student, I will solve remaining question of exercise 1.5 in number system. Question number 5. Rationalize the denominator of the following. First part 1 upon root 7. Second part 1 upon root 7 minus root 6. Third part 1 upon root 5 plus root 2. And fourth part 1 upon root 7 minus 2. How can rationalize given irrational number? So now solution of this question, taken first part 1 upon root 7. So rationalize the denominators, means denominator root remove in denominator, root remove in denominator, from denominator. So we get now rationalize multiply by root 7 numerator and denominator. So given question 1 upon root 7, denominator rationalize. So you can rationalize, just taken root 7 multiply by numerator and denominator, we get. So now 1 upon root 7 given, so multiply by root 7 and multiply by root 7 is equal to 1 into root 7, multiply each other, so get root 7. And now root 7 multiply by root 7, irrational number multiply by irrational number, multiply by, so get 49, root 49, so 7, or root 7 multiply root 7, so root removed, so 7 root into root 7, so get 7, we find 7. So this is rationalize of the given part. This is answer. And second part 1 upon root 7 minus root 6. So now write in this case 1 upon root 7 minus root 6. So now multiply by root 7 plus root 6 numerator and denominator. So given part second 1 upon root 7 minus root 6. So taken opposite conjugate of this irrational number. So opposite conjugate irrational numbers are same, but sign opposite, taken sign opposite, minus, so get plus 1, and plus, so get minus 1. So now in this case taken opposite conjugate of this irrational number root 7 plus root 6. Now here, so multiply by numerator and denominator, root 7 plus 6 numerator and denominator, we get 1 upon root 7 minus root 6 right here, into multiply by numerator root 7 plus root 6 and also multiply by root 7 plus root 6. So we get multiply by this root 7 plus root 6, and also this use identity a minus b in a plus b is equal to a minus b, a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So now use this identity here. So root 7 square minus root 6 square is equal to root 7 plus root 6 upon root and square cancel out, get 7 minus also root square cancel out, so get 7 is equal to root 7 plus root 6 upon 1 is equal to root 7 plus root 6. This is answer. And third part 1 upon root 5 plus root 2. So taking opposite conjugate of irrational number, so now multiply by root 5 minus root 2. Opposite conjugate of irrational, root 5 plus root 2 is root 5 minus root 2. Multiply by root 5 minus root 2, numerator and denominator. We get 1 upon root 5 plus root 2 into root 5 minus root 2 into root 5 minus root 2. We get this multiply by this, no changing, root 5 minus root 2 upon identity use root 5 square of minus root 2 square of is equal to root 5 minus root 2 upon 5 minus 2 is equal to root 5 minus root 2 upon 3. This is answer. And also fourth part 1 upon root 7 minus 2. So multiply by root 7 plus 2, numerator and denominator. So this irrational number, taken opposite conjugate of irrational number, root 7 sign change minus taken to, so root 7 minus 2 taken root 7 plus 2, multiply by numerator and denominator, we get 1 upon root 7 minus 2 into root 7 plus 2 into root 7 plus 2 is equal to, so root 7 plus 2 multiply by 1 in this irrational number, so there is no changing, and also this a minus b, a plus b use identity upon root 7 square of minus root 2 square of. So this is root 7 plus 2 upon 7 minus 4. So get root 7 plus 2 upon 3. So this is answer. Thanks.